In this video, we'll balance the equation sulfur plus sulfuric acid. Let's count the atoms up. We have one sulfur plus the one sulfur here. So we have two sulfur atoms, two hydrogens, four oxygens. Product side, we have one sulfur, two hydrogens, one oxygen, plus these two. So we have three oxygen atoms. Let's fix the sulfurs first. I like to leave oxygens until last. So we need to put a coefficient of 2 in front of the SO2. 1 times 2, that gives us 2. So the sulfurs are balanced. Let's update the oxygens. We have 1 plus 2 times 2. That gives us 4. So now we have 5 oxygens. Everything's balanced except the oxygens. So because we need to have a bigger number here, we're going to have to do something to the coefficient in front of the H2SO4. Let's put a 2 and see how that works out. So now we have 4 times 2. That gives us 8 oxygens. We'll need to update the sulfurs. We have the 1 plus the 1 times the 2. So now we have 3 sulfurs. And then the hydrogen, 2 times 2. That gives us 4 hydrogens. So now things are actually quite off, but I think we can work with this. Let's first fix the sulfurs. We're going to need 3 sulfurs, so we're going to have to change this coefficient here. So let's put a 3 in front of the sulfur, then we can update our sulfurs here. We have the 1 sulfur times the 3, so now we have 3 sulfurs. Those are balanced, but we need to update our oxygens because this 3 applies to the whole SO2 molecule. So we have 1 oxygen here, plus 3 times 2, that gives us 6 oxygens. So we have 7 oxygens now. Let's leave these again and fix the hydrogens, and that might fix the oxygens. So I have 2 here and 4 here. Got to put a coefficient of 2 in front of the H2O. So now 2 times 2, that gives me 4. Hydrogens are balanced. Let's update the oxygens. We have 1 times 2, that gives us 2 oxygens, plus 2 times 3, that gives us 6, and we have a total of 8 oxygens. And this equation is finally balanced. This is Dr. B with the balanced equation for sulfur plus sulfuric acid gives us water and sulfur dioxide. Thanks for watching.